I am so excited about the Norwex November Hosting Rewards. And I happen to think that the Norwex hosting program is one of the most generous things ever. It is so fabulous. But I'm particularly excited about November. Now, I'm a super visual person, so I am going to bring this to life so that you can understand how our 4-star hosting plan works. Okay. So there's 4 stars to the hosting plan. And when you host a Norwex demo, whether you do like an online workshop or a Zoom or texting party, messenger party, in person, whatever route you decide to go, you get to earn hosting gifts as a thank you for sharing Norwex with your friends. Now, Norwex is in about 3% of homes in America, which if you do the math, that means about 97% of homes in America do not yet have Norwex in them. So we, of course, greatly appreciate your help as we get the message out about these game-changing products. And so let's talk about this. Okay, host reward star number 1. So depending on how many people have purchased from your workshop or demo, you get to earn star number 1. Once you have 3 people who've purchased from your party, you get free shipping, which I love because even as a consultant, I don't get free shipping. So love that part of it. Once you have 5 buying guests, you get free shipping and the graphite kitchen cloth. Now this thing is amazing because with just water, you're going to use this silver embedded backlock kitchen cloth to wipe your counters and your table and the high chair and all the things. And that little ribbed weave to it, you're going to find that it's also amazing at picking up crumbs. Now, that's once you have 5 buying guests. Once you have 8 buying guests, you get free shipping and that. And you get to add on the graphite matching kitchen towel. Now, not only does this make a phenomenal silver embedded hand towel for your kitchen, but also is the best for drying dishes and wine glasses and all of those things as well. So then once you have 12, at least 12 buying guests in your party, you can add to all of that the 3-pack of the counter cloths. Now we call these our permanent paper towels. Are they so basically, these are the size of about a pick-a-size paper towel, but they will hold about 4 to 5 paper towels worth in moisture. So very absorbent and will out clean all day long. Plus, so much better for the earth and your pocketbook if you're not constantly buying rolls and rolls and rolls of paper towels. So that's star number 1. Now we are just getting started. Next up is star number 2. Now star number 2 just gets this itty bitty corner, but it's probably like my favorite star. Love it. This is your host cash that you get to earn. So based on your total party sales, you get to earn host cash to spend on whatever else you might want. So if you had like an average $600 party, you get $60 or 10% of that in host cash, $60. I love when you have 750 or higher in party sales, because then the host cash jumps to 12%. So that when you have $1,000 party, you get to max it out. Well, you can actually earn over that. So you get 120 with a $1,000 party, or if you have a $2,000 party, you get 240. $3,000 party, 360, and so forth. So this is not limited and it will just build. So you get all of that to shop for whatever else you need on your Norwex list. Okay, star number 3. Now, when you host a Norwex demo, more than likely your friends are going to go, this stuff is awesome. And I wouldn't mind some for free too. And they're going to say, I'll host a demo. So when your friends decide to also host a demo and they date their party before we close yours, then with your first friend who books, you get the window cloth. With your second friend who books right now, you get the purple enviro cloth and the dusting mitt. I have to tell you, these are all so pretty. I think they're prettier in person than I can show you on video. They're very pretty and vibrant. And with your third friend who books, you get this mini graphite optic scarf, which is the best. It's safe for anti-glare and all the things. So those are based on the number of people who book a party from your party. Oh, I was going to show you this. The window cloth. I love this. I wanted to show it to you. It's got this pretty, they call it amethyst lace on one side and then solid gray on the other. It's just the best. Okay, and last but certainly not least is star number 4. So once you have at least 3 buying guests and at least 1 person who books a party from your party, then you get to, and at least 350 in sales, then you get to unlock star number 4. Now, star number 4 this month is unique because you get to pick option A or B. And Option A is my favorite product in the whole catalog. I love it mainly because before finding the Norwex mop, I despised mopping floors. And now I actually think it's kind of fun. It's not too bad. I love the Norwex mop. So let me walk you through Option A, then I'll quickly take you through Option B. I'll try to talk fast. So with Option A, when you have at least 350 in party sales, 3 buying guests, and at least 1 booking, then you unlock this, you get the descaler, which is amazing for any hard water buildup. Now, we recently bought a little 26-acre ranch, and the showers had super bad hard water buildup. I did not know how we were even going to get them like looking decent. Took descaler with our bathroom scrub mitt, and it looked like new. So amazing. Love that product. And then also you get a 500-gram or a half size of our laundry soap, which of course is awesome for laundry. Very clean formula. And from the Echo House to me, to you, I will tell you that it's very multi-use for so many more things. And then at $5.50 in sales plus a booking and at least 3 buying guests, you get to add on the multi-use handle, which interacts with your mop system. So you're going to love this. Has the little brush to get in like your windowsills and stuff. So you can do that. Very great. So you get the multi-use handle and the squeegee. So this squeegee is a very firm squeegee. So we're hearing like on car windows and just when you need a little bit more of a firm squeegee, that this one is working well for that. And then at $7.50, not only do you unlock that 12% host shopping spree that I told you about, but at $7.50 you earn the mini mop. Okay, so the mini mop is the new colors. Oh, let me flip that. The dry mop pad is the yellow edged one, and the wet mop pad is the blue edged one, right? Yellow sunny dry, blue water wet. You get the mop base and the beautiful new black and gray mop handle. Okay, that's of course extendable, has this fabulous scuff getter upper. I'm sure that's a technical term. Okay, so that's at the $7.50 party level. And then when you reach the $1,000 party level, instead of getting the mini, you then, running out of room, you then get the large system. Okay, so the large is just like the mini, same colors, everything, except bigger. And to get that base, all of that. Now, just for those of you curious on size, I'm just going to quick show you how the sizes compare. Okay, so that's our mini versus our large. So at the $1,000 level, you unlock the large mop system. All right, so now let's just say you already have a mop. I honestly like more than one mop in my house, but nonetheless, if you decide the mop is not yours this month, then you get to choose Option B. So the $3.50 level and Option B is still the same, the descaler and the laundry soap. And then at the $5.50 level, sorry, that's noisy, you get to unlock at the $5.50 level the it's sage green. So it's an exclusive green. It's very pretty. Sage green EnviroCloth and the sage green optic scarf. Okay, at the $5.50 level, and those are exclusive colors. At the $7.50, you get one of my favorites, which is the textured kitchen cloth and towel set in that sage green. So perfect for the season. Love that. And then at the $1,000 level, you also get the chenille hand towel in sage green. And so the way that I like to teach people to do this, I'll just use this, is I put the loop and the tag on the same side typically, and then the towel rack that you want it to fit on, you just pull it through, and there you go. Now you have your backlock, silver embedded microfiber hand towel that's not going to get yanked onto the floor all the time. So you can earn that for free in Option B. And last but not least, the Honey Bee Collection hand soap. Okay, so this is one of the foaming hand soaps, and it is an exclusive scent to it, super light scent. So that is our November hosting gifts. Now, if you love these products and free is your favorite F word, then you should definitely reach out to your consultant. I'm sure they'll take awesome care of you. Or if you're looking for a consultant to help you do a party, I'd be delighted to be your girl and help you have a rocking Norwex party. So don't hesitate to reach out or with any questions. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a great November.